Hi guys, today we're reading Noah's Ark. Long ago, God told Noah to build a big boat called an ark. God planned to flood the earth to wash away anything bad. God told Noah to load 2 of every animal into the ark. So with God's help, Noah led the animals on board 2 by 2. While Noah cared for the animals on the ark, God kept Noah and his family and the animals safe. After long days and nights of rain, Noah sent a dove to look for dry land. The dove found dry land, and the ark landed on a mountaintop. God put a rainbow in the sky as a promise to never flood the earth again. The end.